In today's video, I am going to teach you how to screen mirror Android phone to Google TV. This is the fastest way to mirror your entire phone screen directly to your TV, and you don't need any extra apps. Before we begin, make sure both your Android phone and your Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That means the same router and the same network name. If your router broadcasts both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, pick the same one on both devices. Being on the same network is what lets your phone discover your TV instantly. Now, grab your Android phone and open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the very top of your screen. On many phones, a single swipe shows a compact view, and a second swipe reveals the full panel with more icons. You are looking for the screen mirroring option. Its name depends on your phone's manufacturer. On Google Pixel, Motorola, and Xiaomi devices, it's called Screencast on Samsung phones. It's Smart View on OnePlus, Oppo, and Vivo. It may appear as cast or wireless projection. If you don't see it right away, swipe left or right across the Quick Settings tiles to show additional icons. Tap that mirroring icon. Your phone will start searching for nearby devices. Give it a moment and you should see your Google TV appear in the list. If you have multiple devices at home, look for the one labeled as your Google TV and make sure your TV is powered on and awake, so it can be discovered quickly. When your Google TV appears, tap it to connect. A prompt will pop up on your phone asking if you want to start casting or mirroring your screen. This message is there to confirm that you are allowing your phone to share everything on the display. Tap Start Now to begin mirroring. Within a few seconds, your TV should show a live view of your phone's screen. Anything you do on your phone, opening apps, scrolling, playing videos, will appear on the TV. Audio from supported apps will route to the TV as well, so you get bigger sound to match the bigger picture. Keep in mind that notifications and other on-face-screen content are visible while mirroring, so consider silencing alerts if you want an uninterrupted view. If you rotate your phone, most apps will rotate on the TV too, which is great for videos. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.